So I'm Kenneth Joshua Rivera from Social Status 1C. So we're going to discuss the official poverty statistics of the Philippines, the preliminary 2023 first semester. So when we say preliminary 2023 first semester, it is a publication prepared by the Poverty and Human Development Statistics Division of the Philippine Statistics Authority, or the PSA. Next is the first semester per capita food threshold and poverty threshold by province and urban or and rural classification, the 2018, 2021, and 2023. So for our agenda, let's first define the food threshold and poverty threshold. Second, the first semester per capita food threshold by province and urban rural classification, the highest and lowest, and the poverty threshold, which is the highest and lowest, and for the other matters. So let's first discuss what is food threshold. So food threshold, it is the minimum income required for a family or individual to meet the basic food needs, which satisfies the nutritional requirements for economically necessary and socially desirable physical activities. So eto daw yung minimum income or expenditures na required ng isang pamilya or ng isang individual para ma-meet yung basic food needs ng pamilya. So as global population continue to grow and resources become more limited, there is an increasing focus on determining the minimum amount of food that individuals need to survive and thrive. So, ito yung amount ng food na kailangan ng isang individual or family para ma-consume yung first semester of life nila in order to maintain health and development. So, next is the what is poverty threshold. So, when we say poverty threshold, it is the minimum income required for a family or individual to meet the basic food and non-food requirements. So, when we say basic food requirements, ito yung mga protein and energy. While the non-food requirements, ito yung obtaining the ratio of food to total basic expenditures like clothing, housing, maintenance, medical care, education, and so on. So it is also known as the poverty line. So ito yung ginagamit or ito yung measure na ginagamit ng government to determine the minimum income level required to meet the basic needs of a household. So let's discuss the first semester per capita in terms of food threshold in the Philippines. It is the highest. So in urban in 2018, the National Capital Region consists of 9,848, while in 2021 it was Region 3, the Central Luzon, consists of 11,789, while in 2023 it was Region 3 again, consists of 13,974. In terms of rural, in 2018 it was Region 4A, the Calabarzon, consists of 9,598. In 2021, it was Region 1, the Ilocos Region, consists of 10,711. Lastly, 2023, it was Region 3 again, the Central Luzon, estimated of 12,510. So as you can see, here in food treasure, ang highest in terms of region or provinces is the Region 3, the Central Luzon, consists of 13,974. So in terms of lowest, in 2018, it was Mimaropa, estimated of 8,093. In 2021, it was Mimaropa again, 9,346, while in 2023, it was Region 12, the Soc-Sargen. In terms of rural, 2018, it was Mimaropa again, estimated of 7,960. In 2021, Back to Region 12, the Soxargen, 8,922. Then 2023, it was Region 13, the Caraga. So let's the first semester per capita in terms of poverty threshold. So in 2018, in urban, it was National Capital Region NCR consists of 14,102. In 2021, 16,918, which is Region 3. In 2023, it was Region 3 again. The Central Luzon consists of 19,886. So in terms of rural, it was um, ang Bangsamoro Autonomous, which consists of 13,591. In 2021, it was Region 1, consists of 15,321, and lastly 2023, 17,722. The reason why na mataas ang Region 3 o the Central Luzon because it consists of provinces or seven provinces in Central Luzon consists of Aurora, Bataan, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, Tarlac, and Zambales. So, and also in poverty threshold, the monthly poverty threshold for a family of five is an average income of 8,022 per month. So this amount is enough to cover a single, it was based on the PSA. So it is enough to cover a single family's basic food and non-food needs. So eto yung minimum income ng isang pamilya o ng isang individual that they must earn in order to be considered not poor. So in terms of lowest in poverty threshold, it was 2018, the urban, it was Mimaropa, 11,658. While in 2021, it was Mimaropa again, consists of 13,262. While in 2023, it was Region 12, the Soxargen. So in terms of rural, 2018, it was back Mimaropa again, consists of 11,413. While in 2021, it was back in Region 12, the Soxargen consists of 12,881. While the 2023, it was the Region 13, the Caraga. So as you can see, in magkaiba yung percent ay yung estimated ng urban and rural. So for instance, um, in rural areas, sila yung may pinakamababang estimated in terms of 2018, 2021, and 2023. So in rural areas where access to jobs and income opportunities may be limited, so the poverty threshold may be lowered compared to urban areas. Kasi sa urban, yung cost of living is mataas. So yung disparity in income levels and living conditions contribute sa incidence ng poverty sa Philippines. So it's significant portion of the population living below the poverty threshold. And that's all. Thank you.